Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Rated V, where I excite you about vegan food and travel. And today I'm gonna do something a little different because it is the holiday season. Christmas is coming up, and I don't know about you, but for Thanksgiving, I spent way too much time in the kitchen. So I'm doing a 3-course meal from Trader Joe's because I don't know about you, I love Trader Joe's, and every holiday season they come up with some specials, and their staple stuff is really good. So I'm gonna come up with really quick, easy recipes that you can enjoy. So let's get into this. Okay, so quick little rundown of what I'm gonna prepare. So for appetizers, I got their little dinner rolls, and I'm gonna make crostinis with, you guys, vegan feta cheese in its own brine. This excites me because I miss feta cheese, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm excited to see what this looks like and how it tastes. I'm gonna pair this with their apple cider jam because I like sweet and savory, and then some candied pecans. Fancy. And then for the main, I couldn't resist. I really wanted to try this breaded turkeyless stuffed roast. Obviously they have this for Thanksgiving season as well, but it goes throughout the whole holiday season for us. So if you missed out on Thanksgiving, you can try it for Christmas and even New Year's. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna pair it with a warm lentil salad with their power greens. And then I'm also gonna pair them with these baby little fingerling potatoes that I love. I love how Trader Joe's gives you suggestions of how to prepare some of their foods. Like when you pick up these little baby fingerling potatoes, it literally says right there, like roast with rosemary and olive oil. I'm like, all right, done. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then dessert. You guys, this is the most important part, at least for me. I love the candy cane JoJo's. I get these every year. If you've never tried them, please go to the store right now to Trader Joe's and buy them. You will be addicted and you will thank me. You're welcome. Oat nog. If you are an eggnog fan and you are now vegan, they now have oat nog. Enjoy it cold or hot or whatever. I'm gonna be honest. I've never really had eggnog. I never grew up on eggnog, so it kind of grossed me out because I knew it was like egg or whatever it was. But oat nog, I'm open to try, so I'm gonna do that. Vegan gingerbread loaf. This is like a super easy dessert. So what I've done is I'm gonna cut this up, pair it with some of their almond vanilla ice cream and coconut whipped cream, and just have like a little mini dessert bar paired with some JoJo's. Again, I'm lazy this year. I just want it super easy. So let's get started. So first you're gonna cut your potatoes lengthwise after washing them, of course, and mince some garlic. Place them on a lined baking sheet drizzled with olive oil. Make sure to space them out so they get crisp, and add garlic, rosemary, salt, and pepper. And now we're going to prep the roast that also comes with gravy. The roast is so easy. Just take out the package, place on the baking sheet, cover with aluminum foil, then place your roast and the potatoes in the oven at the same time at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While that's baking, I'm going to prep my appetizer. Just slice a couple rolls lengthwise, drizzle with olive oil, and bake in a toaster oven or oven until crispy. So while that was baking, I had to try this vegan feta. Verdict? It was delicious. Okay, back to the crostinis. Once baked, add the apple cider jam, crumbled feta, and some of the roasted pecans that I chopped, lightly toasted with some oil and a bit of sugar. You don't have to do this, but if you're extra fancy, you should. Next is salad time. So with these lentils, you can warm them up a bit or just toss them in cold for an even easier salad. I like warm lentils, so I heated them up. I also toasted some cashews with turmeric, garlic powder, and Trader Joe's 21 blend seasoning, just to give the salad some color and texture. So then you just add them to the lentils with some feta and Kalamata olives. Now that the potatoes and roast is done, you just plate it and slice into 8 even slices. Not gonna lie, it looks really good on the inside. Then you just pair with the gravy that it comes with, garnish, and voila. Next, plate your dessert that is already made, decorate with whipped cream, and now you're ready to serve. Oh, and don't forget to warm up those extra dinner rolls. Okay, I finally get to eat all of this after preparing it. So I'm gonna try this appetizer over here. The crostini with the apple cider jam, the vegan feta, and candied pecans. when you combine the sweetness of the jam with the feta, it's almost like you're eating a crostini with goat cheese. That's what it tastes like. So if you miss goat cheese, you gotta try this. This is great. Now for the main course, the salad, the potatoes, and the roasted turkey. I'm gonna start with the salad first because the salad is, you always gotta start with your greens first, guys. So we got these lentils and olive, roasted nuts. You guys can't tell I'm starving. Making this yourself super easy. Filming it and preparing it, different story. So here you go. This is delicious. Super easy, lazy meal, lentil salad, roasted nuts, boom. Whenever you want that, I highly recommend it. I really like this. High in fiber, super healthy, so it's good to go with the rest of your items. Okay, so now let's try the star. This roasted turkey that's stuffed and breaded. All right, it smelled really good coming out of the oven, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it looks super meaty, so let's see. That is really good. The gravy complements it super well. The gravy has a really great flavor. With the potatoes, it's nice. They're crispy and yummy. Then you got your rolls, like, You could even make like a little sandwich with this thing. That would be really good, actually. Overall, preparing this meal with these items that's super fast and simple, I approve. This is great. Really easy. You don't have to stress out for Christmas Day. Buy it all pre-made. Tastes really good. No one's gonna judge you. It's good. Okay, now it's time for the best part, dessert. I have got the vegan gingerbread loaf, some candy cane JoJo's, and the oat nog. First, you know what? Let me take a sip of this oat nog because I'm curious. All right, cheers. That is really good. It's nice and thick. Top it off with some cinnamon, it's really good. I bet you with this gingerbread loaf, let's give it a try, and this combination. It's so good. It tastes like atol. If anybody knows what that is, that's what it tastes like. The gingerbread loaf is really nice and gingery. It's pretty sweet, but it's nice and moist. It doesn't taste dry. I love the combination with the whipped cream and the oat nog. Works really well. I couldn't help but want to try some of this almond ice cream, so I'm just gonna try a little bit of this too. Maybe with the candy cane JoJo's. Okay, let's try this and this just because. These candy cane JoJo's are my favorite. Honestly, I could eat the whole box as my dessert. I'm like, I don't care. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. This, with some coffee in the morning or whatever, so good. All right, guys. Well, I hope I've inspired you to do an easy holiday meal from Trader Joe's. It's not too expensive. It's really easy to prepare, really quick, less hassle. You can do it in probably like an hour, honestly, an hour and a half. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and check out more of my videos that I have about vegan travel in Spain, New York, here in Portland, everywhere. So let me know what you guys like best of this video and what you want to see next. Catch you next time on Rated B. Bye.